Oh, there's Jilet, a little perkier than the last time we saw her. Oh, have you got a toy?
Yes.
Have you got a toy?
That's my toy. Hauling them all over the house now. Huh. Yep, I keep finding Sobe's toys.
Oh.
I've been pulling them out. He was a little, got it. Now he's starting to be okay about it.
Oh, yes. Shake, shake, shake.
Beat it up. Beat it up. Shake it, kid. Shake it, kid. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Well, let's take a look at Earl's masterpiece. Masterpiece of fine restoration. It is so shiny.
Find a house up there for the summer?
Uh-huh.
You already have it picked out?
Already, same one as last year.
Oh. Okay.
This is so... Kim and Earl are off today for... Tell us about that truck show you're going to today.
What am I going to tell you?
Where are you going today?
We're going to Yorba Linda to a Western Truck Finals, which should have around 200 or 300,
wow.
53 to 56 Ford pickups. Only Ford pickups.
Oh my gosh, how specialized.
And they're coming in from all over the United States. And some of them got big dollars in them.
And you have little dollars in yours.
I'm just a little dollar guy. He didn't know how to stop when he should have.
Yeah. Let's just take a little walk around here.
What's that, taking a movie?
Yeah. It's hard to appreciate all this, but inside this engine there's a lot of chrome. A lot of chrome here on the running board.
Maybe get my hair washed before we go out the door.
You can't see the base of the... Oh, it's all covered up. The what do you call it? The bottom of the pickup hauling place.
The what? Running board?
No, not the running boards. The bed of the truck.
Oh, the wood?
Yeah.
African Duke.
Have an orange wood in the... Kind of hard to see it since it's in the garage being protected from the elements. See if I can get around the corner here to show the interior. Afraid to touch anything.
But I'm having a hard time getting used to the puppy.
Restored interior. Great looking seats. Suede and leather, all very fancy. Getting ready to go. Heidi is going to stay home. And Jilet is going back to her mama for the day, her original mama. So anyway, good luck on your trip.
Thank you very much.
And oh, I'm sure you're going to wow them with all your... And speaking of wow, speaking of wow,
Get a trophy for the best sign.
the trophy for the best sign. Let's just get a picture of the best sign over here. This was prepared, oh, it's upside down. This was prepared by Earl's colleagues in Fresno. It's a history. It's a history of the restoration of the truck, excuse me. Sorry about all the glare, but the sign is beautiful and the information is very impressive and a great history of the... What does Kim have to say here?
Tired.
Tired, tired, tired.
And not ready to give up my baby.
Bon voyage and good luck.
Say it's only 36 hours, so it will be separated.
Yes, well,
Well,
just have a safe trip.
yes.